that anybody with AK-47 should be shot, because AK-47 is supposed to be registered and is only given to security officials. We close the borders, for how many years? But the intelligence report I'm getting on a daily basis, those who are conducting the abduction, the killing and so on, still don't seem to be short of arms and ammunition. We are going to be very hard on the criminals. The service chiefs have been changed. The ones that succeeded them have been in the system. They know what is wrong. They know the constituencies. They know the people. I said confidence must be restored in governance within the next 6 weeks. Otherwise, we will be stopped because people may not go back to their farms. They have been chased away from their farms. Their houses have been burnt. Their animals have been taken away from them, so they don't even mind dying. But what I said, we have to state confidence within the next 6 weeks in people, so that people can go back to their land, produce what we eat. We have a problem, but I assure you we are doing our best. Our best hasn't proved to be good enough, but we are getting desperate. And we have given the orders to the military especially. In 6 weeks' time, I want to see a difference.